And good morning everyone. Gandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ayan. So, very good news. Nag-breakout na po si Bitcoin and si XRP nung pinasok natin yan last week. Bitcoin's already been gaining. It's now up 8,800. Amazing. And we were able to catch that. And the good thing is, I was able to enter it while I'm asleep, right? I tested out this pending order na ginagawa sa eToro. It's something new for us, especially sa mga sanay kay PSE. And I'm gonna discuss to you how to do it. Paano po mag-enter on an entry you are waiting for it. For example, you're waiting for a confirmation before you wanna enter it. Pero tulad ni Bitcoin na mahirap kasi 24/7 in trading, you don't really know when it's gonna break out. If ever, pagising mo kanina, hindi ko nakapasok nito, nasa 8,700 na, edi wala na, hindi na ako nakapasok sana, 'di ba? So, I was able to enter Bitcoin during the breakout, exactly the time it broke out. I was able to enter it, and here it is. We're already gaining in Bitcoin. I'm gonna be sharing to you the process in a bit. Alright, so today, PSEI also, medyo pullback pa rin si PSEI, but we were expecting that the past few days. Today's just gonna be a short episode, guys, because I have an engagement in a bit. So I'm just gonna keep this short. I only have 2 recommendations for today. The others, naabangan ko lang magbigay ng buy signal before I really want to recommend them. So, we're gonna be talking about a few picks of mine. Also, andyan po sa video description ng picks ko. Dalawa lang, si Green tsaka si IDC. Yun lang mga nagbigay ng buy signal for today. Yung iba medyo mataas na, so ayoko na i-recommend, especially for the newbies. Then again, so congratulations sa mga nakapag-copy trade sa akin. We're already gaining, so I hope mabawi natin. I hope mabawi natin ang lugi natin for me. It's not yet too late. I think we're with Bitcoin and XRP, with crypto, kasi sila yung bullish ngayon. They'll be our saving grace at makapag-recover po tayo. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy pa ang akyat. Bitcoin is now at 8,900. Buying is 8,900. So congratulations for those who copy traded and those who are trading crypto in eToro. Congratulations po sa inyo. Right, so I'll go to the comments muna before we go to the discussion. Let me just make this turn this down, and I'll go to the comments. Ayan. So, Francis Fahilan, good Monday morning, Sir Lloyd, and to your family. To you, to Justin Salvador, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Bull and Bear, good day, Coach. Good day din. Uku, 788, gandang angat. Sir, good job. Ethereum ba? Pwede rin si Ethereum. Si Bitcoin lang ang inaano ko kasi siya yung parang inaabangan ng lahat. Pag nag-breakout si Bitcoin, mag-breakout lahat. So, si Bitcoin lang pinasok ko. Si Ethereum pwede sana din tinikman din yun. I didn't think about it. Dapat pala yung mga remaining funds ko, linagay ko sa Ethereum. But, ang problema kasi nun, kung nag-fail si Bitcoin, baka nag-fail ako lahat, 'di ba? But, yeah. Come to think about it, dapat nag-pending order din ako kay Ethereum, no? Hindi ko naisip yun na. Dapat kung mag-breakout si Bitcoin, magbe-breakout din si Ethereum, dapat nag-pending order ako sa dalawa. Dalawa sana ang gains ko ngayon. So, in the future, yan, level up na naman ako today. That's something I learned something again today. So, every day, it's very exciting. We learn so much. Ang daming strategies na nalalaman natin every day. Dapat ganun pala ginawa ko. I was just testing out kasi yung pending order. I'm not really sure how it works talaga. I haven't experienced it myself. A friend of mine taught me about it. And yes, kasi I knew this wasn't available in the PSE. So, tinesting ko muna sa international market. And it worked. We're gonna be talking about that. So, thank you so much, Uku. Dapat ginawa ko rin yun. May Aurelio. Good morning, everyone. Justin Salvador. Charting ako ngayon. Bets CPG. CPG masyado mataas na, but definitely has momentum. So, why not, diba? BCOR and PLC, right? Pasensya na if hindi ako makapag-charting ngayon, right? But definitely, CPGs are already too high for me. Don't wanna recommend it. So, mga nagbodega ng CPG tulad ko, I've been recommending at last year pa, magbodega kayo, and told you it's gonna be a comeback, one of the comebacks of the century, and it is doing well right now. So, congratulations. PLC, okay naman. Liazy Macy, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay ATN and Poopy. Pasensya na hindi ako makapag-chart ngayon. John Elver Arroyo, good morning. Diorico Docena, good morning. Good morning, sir. Watching here in Taiwan from Cebu. Happy trading from Satanan. ISM po, please. ISM, just while it's dropping, antayin natin mag-bounce before you wanna enter. You always wanna enter on a bounce. Tommy Montano Escobedo, good day, coach, and all viewers. PHMRC DNL, thanks po. Good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Sir, insights kay Vita. Pabati sa gwapa kong asawa si Hannah, to our wonderful kids, Leian and Levine from Benua. Good morning sa iyo and your family. May Fuliante. Sir, about mangisda.org, pwede po ba bumili ng lot? Yan ang problema kay mangisda.org. Puno na ang lots ngayon. But, ayan, tonight, 8 p.m., meron pong mga, if ever man, merong mag-back out or di ba 5 days yung reservation expiration, di ba? So yung mga nag-reserve last Monday, today po sila mag-expire at 8 p.m. We will be freeing up units at 8 p.m. sa mga hindi tutuloy or hindi nakapagpadala ng pera. Abangan nyo po at 8 p.m. Pasensya na po at this is first come first serve basis po kasi. So hopefully makuha po ninyo. Pasensya na po talaga. Right? So, puno na po siya. We don't want to open more as much as possible because we want to start small. Ayoko pong mabigla yung community doon na ang dami kaagad. So, 4 lang muna. That's the max we can take. Don't worry. 6 months from now, we'll show you the performance of the first harvest. Show you the financials behind it. And pag nagustuhan niyo po yung takbo, kasi we're gonna be making this very transparent, even the process. Tinuruan ko na po doon ang mga tao na paano po mag-upload sa Facebook. They'll be uploading updates sa mangisda.org Facebook page. So you'll see the process, even building. Right? Pupunta ako doon next week. Even building the cages, pakita po namin sa inyo. Right? So, 6 months from now, there will be more waves to be opened. Alright, if nagustuhan yung takbo ng business, then you can enter. Don't worry, it's not yet too late naman. But it's just that these first batches, pahirapan na po kumuha ng units. Okay? Joy P. Maulang, Lunes, Sir Lloyd. Uy, umuulan na. That's very good. Nakapasok din kayo sa BTC Insights po kay PHA. Medyo maingay ang tao Discord about someone manipulating this stock, VLL and ATN po. Just act accordingly. If someone is manipulating the stock and make it go drop lower, then I'm gonna be buying more. That's my sentiments. Kasi ang pera na hawak ni PHA right now is very big, right? Compared to its market value, hawak nilang asset na pera is so much bigger. So if it goes down, then I'm just gonna be buying more. Ganun lang. Simple as that. Huwag po kayo magpapadala sa mga ganyan. Pinapababa lang nila yan kasi bibilhin nila. Pete, good morning sir. MPI please. Alright, pasensya na guys. I'll start the discussion right away. I really have to be out as fast as I can. Meron akong importante lang talaga ngayon. Bukas mag-charting ulit tayo. Right, so today we're gonna be discussing about pending order. Ano ba yung pending order? Right, so dito kasi, for example, let me just go to my virtual portfolio and let's open up let's say Microsoft MSFT, right? So Microsoft trading Microsoft, right? So let's open the chart of Microsoft. Right, full screen ko ha. So here is the chart of Microsoft, Launch Pro chart. Ayan, Pro chart gamitin natin kasi mas malaki ang chart pag Pro chart. Right, so here's Microsoft. So may resistance si Microsoft at 130. So the next best entry kay Microsoft would be a breakout. Pag nag-breakout yan, most probably magtuloy-tuloy po yung akyat ni Microsoft, di ba? So, ang inaabangan natin kay Microsoft is a breakout. Now, the problem with international market is gabi ito habang nagte-trade. So, most of us will not be able to watch the breakout kasi tayo, di ba? Pag nag-breakout, i-entry natin. But what if mag-breakout yan 2:00 ng madaling araw, itulog ka, tapos nag-breakout at tumaas na, hindi ka na nakapasok. That's the disadvantage of it, di ba, kung matutulog ka. There's a solution to that, which is called pending order. Pending order means, for example, you think the breakout is around 135, so you want to enter a stock at 135. Pero, dapat, maglagay ka lang ng order pag nag-breakout, dun saka pa siya papasok. Diba? So, sa PSE kasi, whenever you add, for example, ganito, 125 ang current price niya, and then you wanna send a pending order at 135. Sa PSE, diretso ma-execute yan. Kasi you're willing to buy it at 135, and then, someone is selling it at 125, you guys are gonna meet right away. Kaya po, hindi gaanong nagsasucceed ang breakouts dito sa Pilipinas. Right? Sa PSE, hindi gaanong nagsasucceed ang breakout. Nahihirapan po yan magtuloy-tuloy because walang pending order sa Pilipinas. Now, sa international market, meron pong pending order. Para siyang stop loss, pero kabaliktaran siya. Sa stop loss kasi, pag naglagay ka sa baba, and then pag na-hit siya, ibebenta niya kaagad. Si pending order naman, I usually use it on a breakout. So, for example, 135 nag-breakout, automatically, kung anong available sa market na pwede niyang bilhin, bibilhin niya kaagad. Right? For example, 135 gusto kong breakout entry. Wala na available. Ang sunod is 135.5. Yun ang susunod niyang bibilhin. So, makakasabay ka and while it's going up. And then, you enter automatically. Automatic po yan and mag-e-enter. Yun yung ginawa ko kay Bitcoin. Nag-breakout siya. Let's check out BTC. Anong oras siya nag-breakout? Naka-pending order lang ako kay Bitcoin. Let's put it at 5-minute chart. Right, so nag-breakout ng 8,400 si Bitcoin at what time? Let me horizontal tools. Horizontal. So nag-breakout siya at around 8,400. Ito. So, 8,400 yung previous resistance niya. And previous resistance really was around 8,200. May mataas pa yan. So, I made a breakout order at 8,400. Dito po yung entry point ko. Right? So, when it hit 8,400, this was at 3:30 in the morning. So, tulog pa tayo niyan. Pero nakapasok yung order ko. And we're enjoying the gains right now because of that breakout order. So, ano nangyari? At 8,400, when it did the breakout, pinasok niya kaagad si Bitcoin. And ang nangyayari kasi sa international market, marami ring naka-pending order. Kaya sa international market, pag nag-breakout, boom, papasok yan lahat at mag-shoot up yan. Actually, ito yung breakout na nangyari talaga. And then, nag-breakout at nagtuloy-tuloy na. I just wanna make sure na sa 8,400 ko ilinagay para mas confirm po yung breakout. And then there it is, nagtuloy-tuloy na. And we're still gaining behind it. And then meron pong another breakout here and nagtuloy-tuloy pa siya. So I think Bitcoin is still gonna rally. So that's called pending order. I want you to read more about it. Pwede nyo po i-search dito, pending order. I think pwede. No. Hindi pwede dyan. Andun sa help nila, pending order. It's very, very useful, especially on breakout on your entries. For example, may ascending triangle dito. Let's say, meron bang pen dito? Ang alam ko, wala eh. So, line lang. So, for example, ito. Ray. Yan. Yan, for example, ganito ang itsura ng chart na papasukin ninyo. This is a, what do you call this? This is a descending triangle. So, nag-aantay ka ng breakout. So, you basically want to enter at around 8,650, diba? So, mag-pending order ka lang na 8,650 and hindi niya pa i-execute yan. Right? If it reaches 8,650 and then that's when your order will enter and nakapasok ka on a breakout. And then once you have entered that breakout and then, ayan, you're already in the trade. Kahit tulog ka, nakapag-gain ka sana. Right? That's how useful pending order is. It's available in eToro. I hope this will add to your arsenal na habang natutulog kayo, mapag-trade po kayo. Because I am enjoying this kind of, I'm enjoying this kind of trading na napaka-relax dahil sa eToro na pending order. And please read more about it, right? But basically, that's the idea of pending order. Okay, so sa PSE naman, dalawa lang ang recommendations ko today. I really have to get going. Si Green and IDC, I wanna show you Green. Kamustahin natin si Green. Yan, si Green po, may support na po kay Green and we have a confirmation of that support right here. And kakabounce niya pa lang. I'd say this is already a good entry for Green. We have a divergence at that area. So, bullish po ang signals niya. I'd say test that support. Just in case mali tayo, cut your losses. The good thing about this is why I'm recommending it. This is, it's very low risk. I cannot predict if it's gonna go up or down. But if it goes down, at least napakaliit lang po ng talo ninyo, and that's our point in trading. And if it goes up, then definitely, ang ganda. Diba? Green. And then IDC, also IDC, kaka-bounce niya lang sa support niya. This is the support that we are looking at. Teka lang ha. This is the support area right here, and it's still right there on the spot, and nagbabounce na siya at that area. So I'd say yes, this is a good entry point for IDC. Test it out and then just cut loss below that for what they call this, for IDC. Pasensya na talaga guys if hindi ko po masagot ang mga tanong ninyo. Mga 3 a.m. at a breakout sir, yes, 3 a.m. Tommy Escobedo, mangisda.org, maging successful po, how many cage lang po maximum sa area, lake for future expansion. Hindi po siya lake, dagat po siya. Ang kaya po ng area is 280. 60 lang po ang operational dyan ngayon. We're planning to really saturate the area. Kahit 200 po mapuno natin. That will be a very good opportunity for everyone, for the investors and the fishermen of Mindanao. Okay, so ano ba ibig sabihin ng tender offer? Meaning magbebenta po ang company ng stocks nila to the public for fundraising. Ibebenta po nila para makuha silang pera. Maybe they're gonna use it for future expansions. Right. Good morning, bagong tabas o nga eh. Right, so bukas po we'll talk more. It's just that now nagmamadali ako. I have to run after. So, but still, I really want to make time for everyone. And I want to share the experience that I had today in my trading and my learnings today, which is pending order. For the first time, I tried it and it was very advantageous for me. I was able to enter a breakout while tulog po ako and a perfect entry point for Bitcoin. And that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much po. Kahit na po napakaikli ng episode natin ngayon. Let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.